karugetanda ayo moro karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo moro karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura bakikuya mandege uzito somya bamura bakikuya mandege.
Ana asemo ya gatatu y'umuroberio oyiga bwetwane ya getembe nekiro aiga ase studio ngo tebinga ngo kumanya ngachinga kichaboniga nigo turachi gosanga nere abuga Eric wakire
huyo. Yes.
Weekend ni ntambi
Ngenye kabisa.
Ngenye.
Yes. Kati stayo.
Okora mbia kubwatite umente kero eko kwenyandirio bwate bitoki lakini kwa naranga chinga kichiko mnyoka
kati stayo matuka kwenda ngora. Kati sirora matuka kwenda bwangu.
Ekero yale ngenye igongo bwate
nabeko benye lakini ogoroboro.
Mbia muno nkagrete nga kwa bokire bia nende karibu sana irindo tunyara gusanga timetia timu kigo chwati oteremete kwa twakorera nsemeri ya etwani chiko sorry lakini timetinge timu ya onga ya wikire ase chinga kechiga
Ndine fan ya Chelsea. And uskorgereri. Kan to betu mupira. Against Nottingham. Got to qualify to Champions League. It was the major issue yesterday. Newcastle igaitwa na twategemea hizo kubwa ndo qualify lakini Newcastle ito tu mpira Chelsea qualify, so we are in the Champions League. Yes, kini manu yategerete asa tayo
na bara kurusiembe ndito baswana nomono twatangamba temete bagakorana namba 19 lakini tari magana singicho kwenye ensemeyo yerire ne kirondo chenga umo konyo bomrai wense na kenderete uko bono bwanchania koroki ochasoro ngoro wagusi go siasa.
I think a trip ya amakonyo we bomrai wense ko chagusi tari gent kiarenge ngane kigeni babere bagotalne chinsa mo chance chagu chance asa program nga empowerment programs. And the empowerment programs ichi konye biombe na tuwate youth group cha bangina tuwata bana boda. So wata na group ichi ba konya kindende nje ba serikali ba gotali kind of ba kitu sasa economy yense sinya chiwa konya abantu bake, so it's more of siasa, it's more of development, so we cannot tell why this but rende ese koinyora matukaitire makeigo serikali ya teneti mechango but rina korangi mechanga ndia chakire because the amount of money was spent in a weekend na matukande week ni nyingi, there is a 22 million of money toka tanga chwa zini chiabo chwa zini chia serikali but rende uyomunga asmara siko changu chikole it intended purpose chikira wananchi walipata kirego ikira, so let's open a kaendera motu chwa nyingi cho create impact na atendi empowerment program ya renge pogirango.
Yes.
Nsema yetago ya beto state na umajumbu Servenas Osoro ketwa mchango irete tualo chikorange uchika uchibesti yao. So let's open again the to cut across constituency kachibesti ya changiru chena sibiombe direct montago chuchika tata nganjemba badai inde no maana ngande function mne chakora kane nyeribari chache wiki I think on Thursday na toka na ndenga chwese chinywa chwikire byombe bibire intended nchigende mefuko y'abantu. Yes.
Ne kero kurigereria wate birenga no kugania kwa nga aichiga gusembero biri genyare wikira naso ichi constituency chonse ore shonga out of ichi constituency chirito wata sense ya Kenya mukonyi bomurai wense naire chibesa chingani chigagendete kunyo koirase specific constituencies nchinyare wikirana.
You see, the government has money. Montanga nga kapesa njira serikali sanjiro ne dinga. Nchiri
priorities echirasanga.
Nchiri sangao. Could be nga priorities sangao. But the nga pesa njiro Kenya in siasa. Chira sanjiro because Kenyans are paying taxes. Walibali kira serikali they are paying taxes. Walibali private sector they are paying taxes. Walibali biashara bikego ne binane kukana wale tax. So chiva sataringe chibolete. And if you find it a way, ukana nga chiva se chikire to a tune of millions of money. Chiko changu kira lituko. Unabona bugrango, ntuwa almost 9.6 million chia changu. The same day, Deputy President yalingi Kiambu, yalingi na I think ita Bungoma somewhere, which is the same amount of money. So in a day, like on Thursday last week, it wasn't on Thursday or Friday, I think on Thursday or Wednesday. So it's just to in a day, it's function checking dig to that tune to have almost 30 million. Just very seeing. So talking about it, we're Rasio color maybe nere tabu ati ekerengo lakini ndo sikuke mangana akwanete ate tenga ise komo na boda boda chitu wisano olipeire boda boda yae ovekera mafuta kwa siare profit and also como achi vile chitu wisano chitu wikomi na bako akoro se boda boda yae siabo ate mechando tanga kubwa na basigari para kokea nyame imechando na basigari abarende you look at it at a the perspective nearing aquí. For how long are they on sustaining mechangi? Chegara to sustain mechango for a whole year. Matukuma kiganya wa gold.
Lakini hao tenga no nye mechango bune yiga te kuchikanyara gwikira na sechi constituency. Kochi nchike no nye mia. Ntoko manya.
See, constituency go support bone ge president as. Nchikira say from the impeachment here deputy president. So constituency go support the president currently. They are close to almost 250 constituencies. Ngeli ndama itinga like ni usi otakere speech ya Silvana Susora kwanete bogrango akamesho chikozi yange 6 to support the president. I think by chile South Mogrango, I think in Barenge West
North
Mogrango. So it's over on average create constituency cha 30 million times almost 200 constituencies. That's a lot of money. Chiko cha se mwananchi. That's what I'm saying. And she's all working the great intendant.
Onye nechi para chirosigu chirosigu complete.
No, chiko complete. But kara usanga chiwe sechi. Wacha bata banga haya. Ntoka ndete kasiende serikali. Let's open kasiende serikali necher. Let's open wacha cha on Thursday nebali chache. Chiparanji chia bege tuaro chicho chiwente kwagacho. Let's bonga kagocha na acha lonji chipara. Na ndakara magendra yugo changre biyombe binde ebingao. But next by seeing chiko changu. Like now if you go to South Mogrango, then you can get 9.6 million. Chachira se economy ya Bogrango. Ose so mwananchi Bogrango. Next by seeing sana. Anye biyombe biwa kole biashara real business. Tangible business vi korokana. Chira sira ndi economy nyingi sana. Asense mo ya Bogrango.
Na ndine chiko kokonya magendera ikirane. Onye ni chichiro chitabuke onye ne biashara bya bantu binyale ukina. Korinde kiro to kurigiria sense mo yende aye buno omo Kenya. Etoke omujumbo gongo support ya serikali ustari go support. Neki okirogote mukubike ke korotokia abali bakuru asechi constituency chaba bunge bari ase opposition.
I think Kenya yamera siasa for a long time. Chukura chiwaku tokale campaign, chukura chiaku tokala chukura bana ntwaso siasa. Na bone time ye president William Ruto yabe na siasa from the first day to akorete chukura to 2022 August. Siasa na ndeka chaka immediately.
Ikaimogetia bibile.
Yes. So we cannot say nga siasa na error. Okay, a speech I'm sure you had found the speech so that I think about chimba bala siasa ya yo siasa ya serikali panyara magenda. Truth be told, siasa is all about interest. Interest iba chumbe bala siasa serikali neringa panyole bitokibiri
virus constituency.
Now, people argue nga kama siasa ko koru to be community ito chiko so ase national table ya negotiations o se yego to share cake ya national cake. O mana bolinga chira se chiko county government njiri equivalent as the national government. Still as much as what the devolution chira chiko se national government nyingi as compared to chiko as counties. As much as the what agriculture devolved, the what LTL devolved, maybe into na masomai seed, still there is money to get as a national government. Again, you cannot have money from donors or grants to go to as a national government. The money has to go through treasury, it's not just a county government. Mojumbega about almost 130 million in a financial year. Essential development in Leons. It's like you are managing a small school, like a school like Kizo School or Secretary. It has a tune of up to around 100 million as a financial year. so kwamba chipesa chiko cha se e constitution ni chinge lazima mjumbe karakari ayo national government
anyore njire inde na serikali ra
now look at it like mnabona iga yati ba chache kwa chipachi kwa chikorosu it's the only constituency in Gusii region yet parata marking within that project ne yoka yaitu so abachumba abande they need to work hard konyora chipesa na wala bobo ngaini gumo jumbe konyora development of just constituency osebe kind of an association yali wate no na national government makonyora chikuchiparage compare like now to Chache North and South anaba get tut paramo
yes
but look at development yokoru to Chache North
it's na South Noire
yes South Noire South now it's having a tarmac road a koera ya kwamire for almost 10 years ya kwamire mbone koera and they are saying mondo kokere pare yere mo jumbo north but inga ye pare south so it's all about na mo jumbo south kibagende ka correspondere mo jumbo north but e para go create ngana ronyero siri in south here so we don't know creating or create pare kara but remember pare ya kwamit nga ke regime ya it so kind of a way siasa never at interest chia was much beke asaro ngo se mesendonge but you say mesendonge na bila kwa tele mchana so let's open a speech or maybe it was a political statement but ya chumba wanda bonds bachanyore
I think anye bintombire chinkwana nchire abakenya batabona ntiko bakubeka sengoro ni chinkwana chabana siasa samatukaega ikiagera ekirogotegera buno mweshimi wa Osoro onyoro kwande bintu binde munde gosore watabangere no ale serikali tagosuka usi abantu abaraya babande tabamanyeti ochaka kweresa mangana ekero kende bintu bya mukorekanira mutukaeri bona ayo buno mwananchi isikubeka mwananchi isikubeka entikiga ngatarere tago konyeka ekereke nenkeri naki umurayo yigochorire ekera ikirale se nanya gwa kerioge ekera ikirase serikali gosekera wike ground ngintu kiaira abantu ekiagera umete osobochore bonna bore bosio ntukabwati na ndo mwana nje tari gochikorigere ringaye nkware ngase serikali ostwarenge bakorigere inki wakore
you see sometimes osona gocho kwano bumaene already discussed in the political
neli akubakwana so hororo
yes neli kwano bumaene already discussed in the political statements but you see in politics and one by the bumaene the things osora kwanire in political podiums cha tani ko bumaene so I don't know if the estimate ya make ripogranga make mwisondenga consensus support the president na chitukonyora benefits
lakini ayoko ikero koligereria ingi kiragere omukonyo bo murai bwense gusingi kegerete ataratarira tutebe constituency bona bune ya kitutu chache south ntobwate constituency chinde chinyingi
but you see ese ke bona ga siasa ke montanga tru musimamo mutsange ko ro empowerment promise yo ko echinge kiombe it's more of a welfare thing but anye to cha kumpasa na nje constituency yane tingo cha bwoko you see these people cannot force umurai bwense ose mokonyo yake ndi kituchaje south aso mojumbo kupinga serikali so it's more of a welfare thing but then abachumba they were supported in these programs they can argue kwa chipe chikutumeka ni serikali terchia because mefuko but in a key how do you prove nchipe sechi echikurumo se kabu ya serikali it's all about integrity individual ko boli swali bineli talinga mondo wenzo raboli it's a proof ngaki chipe sechi to sema change kabu ke chikuru but you see a government is wide Ocho kwate echini mbakanyo chipe chirwete it's not 1+1 nande kera mukonyo bo muraibenza go chaka tabanga muraibenza language na njinale techi kwali
Bono kusinyunga yo chukumoja.
Yes, faro muraibenza kwanda sako changeka kama mpaka 30 million, 20 million. Ngumo fukoi.
O pledge 100 million.
100 million. Tok manga chile chimbe chintunje ngacho kuchiru. But the fact is the money that's being spent as empowerment program seji. Hinji ya serikali. Uno mine to kwanira. But then we hope ngaba chumba abonsi maso nyalime emagendera. But then nje nabatebi lazima umojuaji. Kero moske ndidi nyoro ale chairman ya budget committee na appropriation committee
na igete kutabolia
bintu bya ene and you have had it from even the and even you have had it from the cabinet secretary for treasury akatabanga chita muranga county as ndidi nyoro yakuru was to a tune of 6 billion within a span of 2 years 6 billion county nje na Nyamira budget ya almost 6 billion in a financial year. The whole county as a financial year. Yes. But which was the Murang'a county according to estimate you ndamega the CS ya treasury is 6 billion in a span of 2 years. Chiete kwende county ya Murang'a. So you can imagine how much went to constituency Kiaru constituency ya Ndindi Nyoro. So it's all about what connections you have as a national government. Nana kiromo chwachangani kwetene ngeri egenda se utagitende muina gaika.
Na ndebono egintu tabarwaneri budget ye chibese chigekero chiko allocated ngo chibare baiti abajumba abanyana na bagweti ase bunge.
Na bagweti bunge yes.
Na asense mwende kero tukurigiria amagendero buna bona ase serikali ya county. Akiro kurigiria buna county ya Nyamira sama tukabwangaria. I think okorose county ya Nyamira. Ya bereke okora partnerships ne byombe vinde kuro ase chinsi chisco. Inkiora nyara ukwandira igoro yo kubwata no kuiga.
Nche originally mnali barinde. But Nyamira nonka noni wele Nyamira ka. Truth is nga Nyamira county government ne bwate some government individuals barabanga ini. Banyala ba support serikali ya Nyamira. Some of the projects you Nyamira, I remember to discuss initially there's no county government going to succeed in terms of development without support from outside. Being donor funding, such a grant. You take around James Ongwari, Governor Kisi, about the project Danida, Yarenga go to level 6. We get a project to Garia Mother Child Hospital, Yarenge funded by donors. Ikanya ko be kunya kitari gari bono no nyata be equipped bono igo nyata na yarenge ya gachitu rache konya bananji. The current governor Kisi Simbarati ateme kobeka cross cable works gari parking in preparation nyata ni chiguru. Sasa kwa Nyamira there is an hospital ya gachu ekerenyo e wate catchment ene sana. Nyakitari eliyo konya abangina ne wate catchment ene. So in short needing there is no county government that can development without support. Yeah, this donor funded projects. Projects nyingi, even if you go to Homa Bay, it's quite a page ya social media Gladys Wange governor Homa Bay. Day in, day out, she's meeting investors back to Homa Bay. There's more projects on the county government in Chingesan.
Yes.
There's no project that are fund in a financial year, like project to almost 1.25 billion in maybe in a financial year. You have to stretch it like even 3 years. Look at the Nikisi County, the way the county government did Kotasi Kwagajugari opposite Kisi School. It's now financial year, but still project there. Yeah, because 700 million.
Mbono ndo chia chakire kugasa no?
Yes, mbono ganze kugasa. Project there are within 1 financial year. Yes. It can stretch even to 3 or 2 financial years. So you have to budget it. First financial year phase 1 year, second financial year phase 2 year. So what's happening in Nyamira is an idea maybe umonta togete oromo ngaini yake aka involve these donor funded projects chikacha Nyamira. We hosted here the CEC for health akatabanga. They also having a 160 million project funded by Safaricom. You go chukwaga chu Nyamusi. That's a major one. Chukwaga chu kwende Nyamusi at 160 million. This will equip abanyagitari nichi ata medics wakonya wananchi. Let's hope katika chia gachiru ni serve the purpose it intended yo konye mwananchi. Tebanga malioga taiyo nyagitari mbayo batende na farmetinga bachikolika abanyagitari mutinyu ogocha.
Ohatebire nga marangi kenekerengereri kego chugiatoka kurwa asi gati yabanta bangaine bagutoka se serikali. Na nekiro kurikireria ekiro compare county eyo kose ntotagete ko compare chi county chiga ibere ekiro kurigireria professionals bari ase chi serikali chi county ne rega igatie kasi eri pabwente kokora.
You see, as a governor, you might find a governor or George utakuwa the expert in field nyingi. But a county government needs a governor or consult experts. You have a governor who know it all. And the are different fields. And the Mario I can't get proposal. I can't get proposal more comogima. Theater. So these are the people we need to tap into. Not county governments, but tap into these individuals that they can sit, but get proposal. We had an idea here, Cancer Center in Kisi. and we know the people are behind this cancer center idea. Tialinga ne governor can stay kalinga cancer center guy. The individuals probably can county government but the idea into action chikakanya chikoba to the cancer center likanza kwa gacho. So there are individuals wako likuwa serikali wapate the idea. This idea Otanya impress that you can do 5 years as a governor, again don't get work.
And also
But if you impress these ideas, when a governor, abantu wabe kama thing haya, katika lanse tokonye mwananchi. You love those ideas. So governors need to work with experts. But I've already balanced system in. Wakonye. But the problem we have with this country needing mwana ikago service. Opikia bantu bae. It's about the qualifications once guys. You have seen the government here kale kwende ya go scrutinize papers, academic papers, civil servants across the country. And we have seen the numbers, actually go, and talking about proper papers. Because something. They joined the system because there was somebody already otherwise, without the connections, what the fake papers in the system. And it cuts across board. It's in the government institutions, private institutions, civil service with fake papers. Now, you employ this someone as an engineer, about the proper papers. About the idea, the proposal, funding. Idea what the Mosara, I support support
annual contract.
Yes.
Again, ekiro kwandra buna to kwandra ghost workers na boigo abantu watamasakara tekiranite engane igoro chinga wikira riri kiagira watebire ndena beringa nature of institutions ekiro kurigereria asama tukae.
See, fake papers is not about an issue ya chakira bono iga. We have seen people who work in the system when you're in promotion by senior government officials with fake papers. But seemingly, the current regime take action on fake papers, fake academic papers, not even anything else, and the illegal promotions. But the people have dupi as a papers, it's rather than a river road. But Kenyans are happy that even yes, it's one guy confirming. They are forced to pay. But one of the judgments you made in sometime last year that what the fake papers again because now I gas. Maybe I go present fake papers, but this kind of with those fake papers. So to come with the friends to have count government ya kisiga. It was back and was much back, I don't know. But from the way things are, now I'm back and but thing as much as Quabutro Montoy. Mokan because
never call it a take it.
But you see, you can never get driver. That's the Form 4 certificate. The qualifications for you to be employed as a driver is the experience.
Not about the papers.
Now, Form 4 certificate. Actually, the best requirement here driver one again, the experience na start with their Form 4. As I say,
na bali ba vile driver watawatia masakara ya Form 4. Yes.
But you see now, we have a situation where Montako class 8 and they feel it's polytechnic. But the danger comes, you present fake papers. Maybe about their class 8 requirement Form 4. No technical vocational training but requirement Form 4 certificate. I hope what the class 8 can river because they are Form 4 That's where the danger comes. And then the present their class it require what they are tangawan to admit. But I present tama monto present pakebin data buat. But the worry is that mpaka nyoro monto across mpaka certificate here university. Na teme wa practical as through public service commission. Nowadays they're asking for the serial number certificate. They don't ask for you to upload the certificate as a soft copy.
Yes.
Or apply a serial number. That means the system sponsor Jingong as well as fake papers. Alternatively, I want to watch about the fake papers here, but you the normal procedure. Getting Kimonta quality, I enjoy my tenor and get to Gaguli rule. Send your mobile moment to get. But if you want to go through the normal process, the genuine, we call quote unquote the genuine process, you must go through the Public Service Commission. You upload all your papers. And I've looked at the system by improvising you call it as the Public Service Commission. It disqualifies you automatic. Either you have a fake or tell me that those qualifications they want. It just disqualifies you automatically. They cannot even allow you to upload your papers. You just upload them, you come back and submit, you can. So it's a step what you go cap.
You go to Gokora Mangana fake papers. Na sense moyende na weto mukonyo mumurai wenseli tukorigoro ga kuoga sana. Na nyare tukubwato ka response timetingare ngikwiraniri lakini ntirari ngikwana no borro ala gotebanga tari tukire teiga morore ngantoro chikende. What's happening? Omo sike kithure Kindiki nere ni garutire me asia.
You see, Kindiki is coming.
But the softer person, I would say the softer guy, I say, cannot clear top government officials.
Kindiki are very. See, Kindiki no meru. And I like any meru as Omogusi. Omogusi you can argue for some 2-3 minutes, but take some point to mention something so kwa nege ndege okay jo montanyoro work. Oborrobo Omogusi no meru but almost same. And but temperamento in matengo bwato borrobo igor. Ahora va a ser un mundo. Okanga kirete lakini otwari scratch na hai.
Kumbago
Kindiki has been sent out. Not even been sent out, has come out. Total has come out. Now ko negotiate ko Odinga Gachagua. Otame ko kirango okino boni kila sekete.
Too much.
Too much. You see, people assume kata okinanto amata ba disimba lengo na basikali ba ipimba lengo. We used to fear them because they have the uniform. Twakorega alimo distwata mo se alimo ya police twatama. Now Kindiki we can level get that na benke okay let me use a small example ngelinga onye mado musubati agotike eke at your status obwate ni bovuya musubati kwa motigire kwa mumenyana amatuko makeiko ke kwa motigire osemwatiganire aina nyawo musacho mungao obwate ni be nyinge amosibya bebuya krabere buya kanya na monga gotwara ime yao nga muswati no linge nkero Kindiki bone gabwate igakashaka kia linge so na mete benefits akanyol to sanyolete kali ngomukonyu umurai wensi ichakoligeri ora Kindiki gochira and you see now it feels like Kindiki never struggled to get this position akotebanga gashaka tungana campaign the president which we cannot justify
atengo murai wensi ni gale wikabuwa yorera
yes
basa babutuko bwake.
But you see, state never machinery. We call them state machineries. Chogodina, na kando. The former deputy president, na temako kovek last week, ngangoli kivuari. I think he thought like the government would respond to him.
Lakini serikali
ngatinga. Serikali respond to nothing, ikakira. So it's a tactical move each side is making. Kindiki is now the deputy president, the Gachagua was in the government, and he knows the tactics the government can use como sirens. So all those things he's saying, I can say it's true bitterness. Yes. And you see, nobody, we never believed like a small community like the Meru community, let me call it small political in terms of population, but political is a small community. Nobody believed in the Meru community like the Kisi community. That we have kept on arguing to a point and some at the national table to negotiate for a share in the government. So there are so many factors. And Malibale says about considering na Kindiki getega. But to you to anything already to negotiate for who's becoming the president via UPA, I mean UDA, Mokon. They took almost a whole night and a whole day, almost 24 hours. Ko agree. Yeah. Kindiki was mentioned, Gachagua was mentioned, and Ndindi Nyoro was
actually
mentioned.
abantu abange eba manyete nga Kindiki lero luchikopa mu
So there are those who feel that Kindiki has now rightfully taken now his position. Gachagua maybe tawenda kabo. You listen to speeches chia the ODM individuals but junior serikali bona iga. You waga thing about Kindiki was the right person. They are now castigating Gachagua. They feel they are happy also Gachagua kurasa como impeach. But if this was the character Yanenge next to the president, then we are happy that into am impeached. It's not about politics. It's not about anything, it's about politics. But now you ask, the Kikuyus are asking themselves, Valivale serikali, wakwe bolinga, we support Gachagua, where are we headed to? Taraba Kriad because he was impeached. Taraba Kriad there's a likelihood he will never be cleared. But he wants to have Omo Ikoyaba Amo as go to negotiating power as go to 2027.
Yes.
He can recommend they will fight for.
I don't
know, you see, we are 2 years away from elections. And tutopinga a political game asena na wala amwe akalekende games. And you have seen the individuals by Gachagua, they are individuals fighting so close that the president serikali ya Kenya Kwanza kama formed. So we don't know what happens next. You know, you might have people wale side ya serikali but wale mass movement the side ya wa Munyoro. You still have abantu wale serikali ya Gachagua wale side ya Gachagua but wale mass movement with the other side. It all depends on how you play your cards as a CS telling automatically because in the side ya Munyoro.
And they have taken to protect the koigwa.
Kila montata de kungia koigwa. You see Gachagua is getting the mass following as a Kenya bono iga because of the issues ya kwanera.
Ebintu omu Kenya kurigera tebana naroro.
Pone mu Kenya nataka ebintu na bili. Sema maftali igoro, nini bad leadership. But you forget that he was in the government for 2 years. As much as they are calling him quarter term, he was in government for 2 years. Na lengo. So the issues he's talking about, iga kwa kuse president dinga, the president failed to change the course because time got together.
Same thing Omurai Bwenso Muske William Ruto neralinge wa accuse the former president ekira neralinge Mukonyo.
So it's politics. It can move from one side to the other, from one generation to the other. The current generation is listening to Gachagua because the issues are one and target. But Kenya is a tribal nation. Clement will retreat back with his community. You know, people are accusing Gachagua for being a tribal. But look at the issue. Valid tribe. The political formations in this country, they are based on tribe. That the community Sigis, community Kikuyu, community Usi, Clement wants to have a political party. So there's a likelihood as we approach 2027, those tribes that matter in this country in terms of politics, each tribe will be having kiama kiae there are those communities that are constantly arguing, constantly we again might end up in 2027 to what the political party is thinking. So it's an idea that as we approach 2027 kiromo ndatu ale nyomba yae then chiombe chitiko aita chibamo usike nyombe tu ale nde parod but it all matters of your strength and your ideas and how clever you could be in 2027 right because the way things are now try to say next year from next year January we're in the campaign mode already. We're in the campaign mode as a country. So we can't blame Gachagua for campaigning Monday to Monday and we cannot blame Kindiki for responding Monday to Monday. It's not about politics. Even sa colleagues in cabinet ya but Kindiki maite agatebanga nere marketer it's policy serikali so he can respond to anybody but let's let's hope maybe in the major change and we can answer bakole siasa but you know we have a case in court one Gachagua already not impeached but if the case of Gachagua yes Gachagua was impeached in the proper procedure then his case is done. But as we stand now, it's already done. But let's open a coordinated nete kole kineki wango ishiwe settled
ya Kenya machivu
ya makale machivu
bamanye
ishiwe settled
abantu b'abantu Kenya bamanye asi bakubwati goche na nikero tukurigire sense mo ye kanisa oroche kanisa nere safe asa mutukaya iga ekero oroche ngabone gati ya barandi bachakire utwara bachakire kuburukani kwa asia mangana siasa.
The government has been always on the right side. I mean the church, and it's hard to criticize the church. Mata osomwanya abantu nabo baite
kuchaka ukwanire kanisa bu.
Yes. Ngamnaza Nyasaye. But there some tukaitire makeigo. Kenyans have been, let me say, they haven't had a soft spot for seconds. The reason on this is that wale kanisa ime they tend to support the political divisions toward in this country. There are those who support the opposition, there are those who support the kanisa. Yes. But we wonder that if we continue with this trend, kanisa kuchikotikara asubra ibogocha. Because as we go into 2022, the current president was deep in the church. I can't remember. Bakabra kanisa bange was supporting him. The country formed this current regime because of the strong background. You can say atogete asabarai. You know the first lady, the wife of the president, second lady, mostly running out to cancer. So the church could be having its opinion, but which people listen to? Look at the Catholic Church. Whenever they say something, and but in the recent past, the Catholic Church is as giving its opinion in terms of leadership, you can say. Much as they are speaking, yes, they are like repeat the Anglican Church in any leader, or very vocal, even more than the Catholic priest over the currently. But the word from the church is that we need proper leadership. Now, this proper leadership has been trained pakaso mwananchi. Mwananchi that change. Mwananchi wa Kenya wana iga umuntu somete. Is looking at the way the church is being read. Kulika kanisa nchirene nsekora. Onyoranga there's a conflict katika tiga. There's a nation in the church, there's a nation in the government. So mwananchi otikara ka kwa birangeli bya yo mwanyenga haya tikangala binantagete. That's why we even the country where the issues changing. Because mondo tayo muraite bane kwa tegerero. Either from the church or from the political leadership, kromo ndaka levi ndobia. So mwananchi wa mwana kwa levi ndobia. The demonstrations we are seeing, if we could have been having the proper leadership in the church, tango mwananchi kwa tegerero lenga egente kanzego kwa. But you look at the political statements, let me quote them that they are political statements from the church. They are likened to other political outfit. So muntoka the mwananchi ngaya kazi atere tokalevo. But there are those people who still who believe nga omora yone kanisa ko kwana pakambwati. But you see now, look at the example ya kusi. Chikansele ngato bwate. Different denominations sire kusi wana like there are so many. Kama ndo bishop wana like. Mundaga kanisa lero. Ora andi for 1 year. Next year watavuka. Awate function ko ordained as a bishop. Ukolgeli bikorobyo montoyo mbiri bironge. Ko kinyoro ime
na siasa kwanza siasa nero bono babwatira nti
akanya function ya siasa mo bishop ne ukurangeliu uzikorandi
nenjera korandi everege to chase ogwanchireria bana
so the common mwananchi the country where they want to away the turn between like do I listen to the church, listen to the political leadership mwananchi altikaliteka but to kina nito maitenga kaba na ile kanisa kwande we can listen to them. There are churches like the Catholic Church where the bishop or the priest can speak and whatever. Because they are but manyirenga ebikorobya bo maybe byumurayo mbimanyikaini. Look at the priest who quit Rio Marakwet. People have mourned him that he was geared towards was about peace na go sirio go kurumba pandi tolibara se enseme Rio Marakwet. Na wakorango montoyo cross bikorobya even from the speeches zango make or post to social media. Kwa ngomo ndo na kwa agenda. But ya barayimba bale kanisa bado as much as you cannot criticize them abananje mundu ari gatenga ayo yaya. Yes. Tonyore mbaka bana ile kanisa mundu akwa because of osali bana bicycle defilement rape cases or those issues. Yes.
na utetigarinde ekero kurigire motuka bwango iga abono abaraibe kanisa na barabu mbali safe ikiagera okoranga bachakire koegu abana siasa nigo bagosoe kanisa batige bitoki bibi achakire kole to bututukana
mutukana mbaroro korochinga kichingoro makabona iga it's an individual to decide whether you follow the right path to the wrong path. There are people in the political circle very righteous. Watanga banta bangaya bagogete bakachauna marai kubekansaim. We have seen like the bishop from Titinandi was in issue, I think, Bishop Kosgei ochoretu kubekansa kasababu marai. The senator got a wheelchair. Now child kubekansa kababu marai. We have seen other more people. I was in South Murango the other day. From Mojumbe Getoji Tegari. His speech was wordy, but from the perspective of cancer, that let us embrace the church. Even say, my hope is that as much as the water issues still political, that the church does not forget about the space as a leadership as a say. Yes.
Na kerongorigereria ase ari egati ari akwanire bunabona se chigazeti aiga ritukore rero ndocengani go bamurikerete aborokiwa ba H University bakorera buna nigo babeikire ase chibande chirerong na ndempari kubatukero chibesa chisaine korwa ase gusinse yo murobere bo serikali otenga high university fees ruining our lives. Ebwate bicha egati ya students osabarukiwa Cross University abo babiri babusange birengere byabo nekero obagote abono nigo baruchinga nabo amasomo abo aranyare gutenena. Students are punished due to delayed disbursement of government funding. Ngano nyene serikali egati yechibesa chiri kubatuka ngano nyenchi saini nigeko bwatokwa kosego chibwatoka ase chingaki chinyorire. Na asense moyende twabire tukwanira amangana ekanisa abuga ndoche page yakane ya gatano goteba conned by a prophet ni ndoche ngokwanirire omubani oyomo ogaiga segoteba nga to his followers and employees is Prophet David Maina, a man overseeing the operations of his Yahweh Media Services Limited, which officially is spreading the gospel through multiple television stations, except it's the gospel of a grid. Ngabono nonye ega korandia kosa nonye kagenderete ko tari enjiri wetira se chinyomba ko se nyomba ya yoburaria na Boigochi TV station ni gobono yarorekanire nga chinjera aicho akotumeka korandia kose akotumeka kora ekanisa yaye kose obo bani bwae ni gochire echi obo tutukano ni gochitari kose chibwaten abwatenda mwa yokwenyorere nigo egotebanga sacred swindle the gospel of grid on Kenya's airwaves ngabono enchira yarorekanire okorandia enjili asinchira yenda mwamu yogendete wetera asi enyumba yoburari religion desperate Kenyans losing millions to pastors. TV stations presenters use emotional manipulation invoking sickness, school fees and faith to trap viewers. Ogoswa ko igore TV oki TV yao kwanyoro murandi narararo akeke bareto umuntu oganetio bokonyi umuntu chandegete mwachanga chibesa babike paybill babike till number aba Kenya batuma chibesa ikiagera bono okurandiri gunga twara omoyo uri bwokorwa omoyo bwogokonya.
I don't want to discuss issues chia
kanisa
spiritual issues
ni chibesa.
But Kenya and Zimbabwe a soft hand, a soft stand when it comes to changiro monto
wetera se kanisa.
No, there's a time now Mojumbe get I think from Kiambu. Or they get WhatsApp, Facebook request. One of the politicians, one of the musicians. I think it was a comedian. In a span of 12 hours, or just a night, Kaboka Mambi, Kanyaro, almost 2 million. So it's a yani ngorogete
abakenya mbabwato moyo buko moyo bugwanja ugokonya
Fimetinga ni serikali. Serikali jara se baby number. Amuntu bate kama senta kise kwa gachi ya kwamie.
Wale wantu wapike baby number bate kansa sente yo.
Kemo ndaru ze 100. Kana sente ile kwa within 1 month.
Eshide ekero chibese chigosoa. ama kukango chiko genda
ine imechanga lakini ile abakenya magwate nkoreli guchangira muntu kwanza medical help ase ya Kenya
kwanza kira bara riri kia itira asembeo kia bekiro ready ku TV I think abuno okonyora bange bagotanga tiga muntu mbia fulize akonyo yo mwabo chandikete lakini to kumanya nga ekereo chibese chiga chigoswa bantu bakogenda ko benefit imbarabi na bara hivi kanisa echo ayega ngorengana ne gazeti ya Daily Nation page ya kabere ni ya gatatu page ya kane abo igo page ya gatatu ni ya kane na asense moyende ndochenga serikali bono niko erachi etagetigwo etia omuswada wokone kiabu nango nyarere wa access gosegwe kobo konyora information yonsi ya Kenya kwetera ase emitandao state a bid to snoop on internet users ngabono serikali nechigo chaka go stock yani serikali nechiko manya nerigetie guchaka kumanya kirigento kiria Bakenya bagokora ase emitandao ngekiro bwatete simu yao abuga kene yose okora poni ke serikali kumurikete na nabe kunyara wa access ebintu byao bya kisirisiri ase
Orlando, I think they're trend ya standard guy. But I don't know why Kenyans to us comment on so many issues. You see, the gadgets we have as a phone.
But the serikali already
because of Kenya, either they come from China, Japan, or other America, even other countries. The what people who have seen a iPhone, Montago to make this from America. Who told you the gadget is not even tracked? But they see me the Android phone. The little knowledge I have about Android phones. No, you're not recording. As long as the phone is on, it's recording. Whatever you are doing, as a Google, as a Chrome, all those issues, it's recorded.
Yes.
Can I search engine ya Chrome or the internet? You'll find all the things you have been doing. So it's not something new and the government is going to track anything. The government is still doing it. That is the first time you see this thing will hurt you, your colleague and take away. But if you are genuinely doing the right thing, why do you fear?
I call even to be out, kugenda ni biashara vya ubeka.
Montego chuko people fear.
Tokonya la serikali ucha kukubwata.
Tejo kukubwata by the. And you see, kero simu ya siri toka na DCI to denga track the simu ya na siri.
Chitageka.
Kwani kwa word kwa track. They still find it. So why are you complaining when they still want to continue doing what they have been doing? Let them do whatever they want.
Inga kero tu kutete usenga iki
delete
usenga email number DCI na bado bako retrieve
keregendo. One day I took my friend which has this headquarters about the issue na tumelingia kwa leta Kenya what issue akaenda no. Kitoko na format this sim ya into factory settings. Tukiwa tukitoro.
Ngabono ya sibiri
keregendo tukitoro akawa sigari similia makaristo keregendo delete to class sim. So it's not something new that the government wants to talk anything in it.
Can kiro as screen.
Yes, this talking. Delete. Actually, it's not even. It can be stalking, yes, from the media perspective. But the government looking at the records, yes, in one way or the other, it's a security issue. In one way or the other, it's a private issue. It depends on how you are looking at it. But still, the government has that capacity. You go stockism yao. Taringa mbabuate
chengu. Neli batagetenga bono lichiko lietigwe.
Yes.
Di olio koligerelia.
But you see the kwende ya Kenya constitution, even from the preamble ya constitution about the rights chomo na nje water. The rights chomo Kenya is safeguarded in the constitution. Taninga mokana bakwa mwaga in the court. Actually the number of people wako in the court wana iga batakoleti batachire school the law school na bange wako bekebina wetania wanajite law school. The freedom the Kenyan individual who enjoy in this country asira kinyora sande
etire chinyinge mono.
Yes.
Chitane tekere.
Yes. The criticism omwananja kwa serikali ya Kenya bona iga asira kinyora.
Omo Kenya gwe mukobeka kindiga nsigoro mu.
I saw statement ya the Prime Cabinet Secretary, also the Foreign Affairs Cabinet Secretary. The freedoms we have in this country,
site yora nyore omorai bwensa gukwanero akoramu na ndokora kioseka
yes. Don't extend those freedoms outside our borders.
Lakini Wakenya mpachi tuko.
So if you're doing the right thing with your phone, why should you worry about the government stalking you?
Already serikali nima ite bintu gukora sisi.
Serikali nima ite bintu gukora.
Neri
bago track ya baibi. They track those funds. Ke bago track ya bantu mondo yo ngendro mondo tamire they use the funds. Ke bago track anything crime in this country they track these funds. Taringa nesi taringa ngesi nyeta mono. So whatever they are doing is that they want to put it to law now. Inere mitandao keroro.
Na sense moyende ndochenga aigati yaba waziri mbaraiga batatu bagendete kumuri kwa Senate kigima ekirauta senators target 3 Ruto ministers accused of impunity enjira bao kuri mirimo yabo bono tiragokia egati yaba Kenya gusi tiragokia aba Kenya naboigo aba senator baiga ndobwate mu waziri bukiganche serikali John Mbadi ndobwate omoske Alice Wam yoteneta mangana ye chindemero na boigo oyo teneta magana yo bonchoreria omanyikanete muno mawaziri Lee Kinyanjui ayo nabo koyonyora sepeje ya gatano ona kabiri ekiagera ndoche gote bangani go bono bamurikiro kigima ekiagera yarorekanire ngano nyine kero bakorangira gochubosi bwe senate barabuti bari goikirana nigo bakumbia na boigo njire mirimo igendete gukurekana sechu izara chiri batenerete tere kokokia na asense moyende gote ba Gachagua my party is eyeing 152 MPs in the next elections almost keri gijini gaote wangere ekiama kia DC nigo bono kerigeti kone kemuna kekerere abajumbe emyema 52 abuga nabo goto ora se gazeti ya The Standard.
I think the headline ya Standard ne still ya talking of the government tete kobeke sheria yokolgeri tikaje tia mwananchi. It can be your laptop, it can be your phone, as long as you are using it in terms of communication. Ya Standard. There's an interesting story there page ya Kavere. Yo coach ko equip nyakitari across the country. That the national government would install at least Kere County etware a CT scan by August. Muakoyo. That's the 2 months from now. Tia marang to collect was nyakitari. It's a national program. National Equipment Service Program, NESEP program. You go to equip the major hospitals across the country. I think this thing was done according to the former regime, president, a county government deals. But this one is different, that the national government which work on. So let's open the machine in the cheek, chikonye, etc. But an interesting story, not a colonel friend, and in Yarangi. Senator Jago prop the usage of contraceptives in this country. It's an interesting story. Senate committee ya help go investigate kutumia chi contraceptives chi challenge kutumeka ase nje ya Kenya asana tukamange
Mario Konsi yo kubangoro
riboro yes tonora abantu ba company ngana tumirete si Mario gete
chiaba fail
chika fail
osinga health problems
chika mechando so let's open a Senate committee and chiko go investigate that issue.
Yes.
Issue yenye linga repeti ya katano ya twango discuss kirigesi ya Gachagua ngabono amuyo watake serikali kabisa mnatagete amuyo kobeka nsema ya Central Region
kama mbaya
yes. There's another story interesting ya drain disbursement ya school o manembo nga principal singi ngorira chire bono iga sanjio school buye and economy ya beirembe. So the government was supposed to release 6 billion last month. Next go check it, but they say to njige school. So the principals are coming as much as they are quiet. The story about abange ba elije na bara amua waira wanafunzi after mapema. So let's open a issue net kurigiriri. Issue ende ya system yere gane ringa amechando ya bira banenzi ba complain abantu ba complain issue ya promotions cha balimu. Tiko consider unfair take so TSC are confirming that the going secretary of TSCO there's a uniformity in promotions so want to complain about that issue. The issue is story ya totally ya Standard explained as a page 6 yenga city ya Standard ngiko chiko korekana na bali asa sector ya ICT batene kweresa ngiko chikoba. So let's open a serikali jebu ati constitution kile bacho kola watchkora out your plan ye you wait bill in parliament
yokumulika kire into ke
kumakeregent because my thing what the constitution says as article 33 constitution na the freedom as mwananchi kutumia gacheti yai na proper way and the same act article 33 constitution na the mwananchi the freedom of expression but then the same constitution got berenga right yage seikete no yani chakrite ni yage se chakrite yani no errete so the meaning thing anything's going to happen kire weird ngata wenga Samia crackdown on East Africa certain cartels freedoms of democracy mfano wa Kenya wako kwa Tanzania za Uganda ni obwatu
obosi boli boganeri tibo iyo nganonye bagotebanga kubwatana kwa East African community igokole gokwanekya mureme nabo igobotoereru n'abantu mbare free as a chinsechi kaisa to lakini
yes tubate issue yende ya the University of Nairobi ya bera baseme matuka mange the University of Nairobi atwali metan for almost 2 years now because of leadership ndo my team chande atoko but now issue ya talking at the council in University of Nairobi ngo ne bwate mechando mechande yero ne ringa ndemo oyo baga ukanga digasi yo usegen minjit menjingi akolete ngatanga tatakitikana weruzi as a candidate ye kerege kyo vice chancellor is being supported by the ministry ne council but rather the public service head na bwate candidate yae Professor Margaret Jesan oyo ta apply no apply ga ta shortlisted as you can see but rende ayaganza ga endrete monto kumia no mwanafunzi wa University of Nairobi kalete mechande because my thing the student cannot graduate without the first chancellor or a proper council as a university because a council ile weta marieta as a graduate na kando my council chairman and some 3 members imba watu wakairu code according to the civil service rules regulations nyelinga kwa watu wa civil servant you step aside you move away from office what you are baba acting capacity as we speak about Naiga in first of Nairobi the bwati substantive vice chancellor the board the bwati quorum the council the bwati quorum but tikatoka nyanga by the time back to December
bachikogorora
kwende
yes
the bwati story endele pecha ikomi iko dina siasa cha western the emergence of Natembea as a kingpin ya western politics the question is will he survive the onslaught from the government? That's the question here. Does this gentleman you move from the boardroom as a key civil servant or just siasa? Okay, I'll create a movement here at Tawe in Western. So I think now 60 days are apart from getting into that region. But now it's a one of Mambi to Kagwara Ivase Airport. Again, they'll connect Taraya Western. So I don't know. So I take transfer account as apart from accessing. Can access all those other counties in the Western region. Being now
Savita county na wako gani na kole siasa.
Yes. But then you see now this affects mwananchi or Western region. And to what this issue ya GBV in counties, the counties have been moving. I hear page 11 that the counties have been signing agreements to end the issue ya GBV across the country. The bottom of PS interior, whatever the government's committed as a regional security. But then there's also an issue here, kuna regional security. What issue ya banditoria sense ya Baringo na Rio Marakwet. Iwada nga hapo ntakora diri na kwanza ama ngodi na issue ichinde. Kaseti ye ase page ya 16 nebwate issue ya John Angeno. Majumbo Emurdikri. Oyoko imache za kingpin ya siasa asense mail these are defender ya the poor. Mente ndo ranki ya peni Paragoyo golali. Kirongena ngodi na basigari. Wala mundu kumundu. So it's becoming a political engine asense me ya Rift Valley. Wako musabela mayanga neraga endere go pick from there as a siasa go.
Lakini bonsi bago chibasoka abarai ababange ekero obagwe sokia niko bako oroka buna abantu bari barachi gotoria abakenya.
Yes.
Ose barachi gotoria abananchi korwa se amangana mabage ndete lakini ekero banyorire ri bagalire bakorigia vaika watumuka
ase ngase ya standard ne kwate pull out egodi na ne since motia environment no bochenu there's a story ke gatebanga blood pressure ikire stage tekwa mariogo kwanya monda blood pressure
lakini igoro sense
tekwa mariogo so it's a story ko rigeri at experts ngiba cho kora research yabo panyalenga issues ya blood pressure chia keira ke na nchi konyora mariogo yes tuwate ase gazeti ya bara standard tuwate issue ya Tana River and Garissa border dispute tuwate so many counties in this country tuwate border disputes so they are calling for the Senate intervene and the issue ya Garissa and Tana River border dispute. I think those are the major stories ya gazeti ya standard na sports ni leta banga bone Premier League ya erira abasatsa bera na nyomba babe nabanga
mbaba se kutambiranga
n'abarugi babo bose metinye kubwatire mutuye bere nenusu asatsa bayira na nyomba
metinye bere nenusu
katuye na August end of August kunyalenga mwabere n'abarugi baino abasatsa
ande mwirende ko watch imepira
but as much as we to say abasatsa nga babe watch imepira mono na wale sio kwenda chi entertainment joints kwanya abasatsa nabo barabange baka watch imepira so ndio toko sabanga abasubati na nyomba mabana basacha baino Premier League ya Edge.
Ase gazeti ya Taifa Leo watanga DCP ya mchokoza Uhuru ikiama kia Rigathi Gachagua wono giachakire komochegia Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta kerondo chenga nige ekwerera watebanga ababwatani ba Rigathi Gachagua nigo bachakire komobolia Dr. Fred Matiang'i atigane ni chinkwana chiaye Jeremiah Kioni kose ikiama kirigia Jubilee anyare komobwatesia kose banyare go esona ni nabo yokubwaterana nere Rigathi Gachagua mbugano yinyora sepeji ya kabiri na asense moyende ndoche gotebana abarimu bali barense ye kiombe gya kupet nigo bono banyare kurwa ugukurira otindi ucha serikali nekero bagoteba nabo barachi kobeka gusona barachi kogira bachake omugiro ikiagera okuigwana kuri banyare to gukora ne serikali tikoraba kogwikira ni page ya gatatu egazeti ya Taifa Leo gotebwa kupet yatishia mgomo iwapo CBA itapuuzwa ngobono onye ekero tukuri kiombe kirigia TSC ngerigo chikoane kya kore chinkwana na bravo usikyanyare wikirania magani abo bono nigo batachi kogenda emeremo na asense moyende mbadi waome nali pabaya kwa kudharau seneti ngabono aba seneta kuna kwenye twarore gazeti ya Daily Nation nigo barigererio mwaziri mbadi mwaziri Alice Waome na boigo Likinyanjui ngikiagira tibara bako igwera ukurangirwa gucyase ebikaro bya seneti na boigo banyare kwerera ayo agenderete asechi wizara chirivatene nerete na asense moyende yakotebana Busia seneta Omtata sasa ataka polisi walioua watano ardhi ya Narok waadhibiwe ngabono omo seneta yoiga Busia omosikio kia Omtata nigobono anyarire kuporia nga abanyanyimbo bali babwatiranitiwe asio okuita batano asense moya Ang'ata Barikoi banyare kubekwa aviara na sense moyende ndochenga MPO intindi guseke mbungu kegenderete koleta umuchando asense mo ya coast ekero abantu batatu kanyarete kuvura nga ekero obwato babwate bwanyarete ko yumba na boigo koirwa nembeo kurende nigonga bakanyara kubura mbaratuka oikera chinga kichiga foncho murigereria ayo na yanda mange na boko yenyora se gazeti cheri tkoria rero otitiga abuga ndoche ngana nere kwenye utaro mutandao skuru ke yatomere tu 87 Kenya shillings.
Kenya is a funny country. You know, a small mistake can happen.
A secondary school.
You see, the sending of money to schools, trying to get overnight. They can do a procedure. So it depends on documents. A principle I agree to which is the national government. You know, make a mistake. That's the money they receive.
Osama Gosa correct anality bako allocate.
But the question is, umondo go tap nini patterning achieve to check school get like 87 shillings. Tangora akere principal holding 87 it's about football go what it was 87 shillings. I don't know ngeki happen but then
aina makosa abete asi
amakosa bia na abete as government the chive school sharing baringo I think last year. sikuja ingo schools siku kwa tegita gioka lakini mine forest sikao jibesa so
I think amagusa yangu tiara koreka ni kiagira abantu ba operate chi machine chi na bara bumwanya abantu
yes I
remember sometimes na ngaki ya help okoso account kwanyora ubikire 40,000 faka nando kore gosomete riro mwanafunzi kwa buli chini yake
nataka ni skuru mai nataka ni university mo zininge u help chiwa sinye chinyinga wanafunzi wako au fast pocket money nataka ngene ndimo na nje na enjoy chiwa serikali kwa ntu achienjoy tinga kiito njira wanafunzi bone bawe enjoy serikali chiwa wako ne chingia babeka pocket money mande university katwanga soma twakalire nyama okima nesukuma ose cabbage at 8 shillings. Shilling 8. I think when you get 15 or 20 shillings, but still they are given around 15k, 15,000 as pocket money. Ndio ya shingi, but then estarana na error, kero woro mwanafunzi, estarnero tabwent koruka. Kwa university, obwent konyetera. But then that's a story yechesa. As in the media, it's a story. But as a principal, yagenda kwa chia school. Netboard bakatwestia bakonya banafunzi hapo
manyanga ya magosa
na magosa arenga of course maybe documents or something else maybe omuntu igango beka milioni 8 ose 870,000 as a account akabeka 87 shillings banya sana alo no twasa barenga banyatwestia hapo
na omwancho murigire ndoche egati yabari bagendete kulika ujumbe chabo gochaiga ase studio nigo bagendete goteba unabono oyiga Esther omonerwa goteba Esther omonerwa kurwa chinsemo chake nguso egotoka Awatandiko ndani na Phyllis Nyang'au, Jilsa Kemunto, Gladys Enyanya, Lydia Nyawoke, James Ombae, Fred Moga na Robinson Moriasi. Na asense moyende oyoiga Frederick Ogembo nere noale imeyo moroberio omosoripoge susauta Corona Kuru City kama kawaida Jeria Kirubo akoteba kurwa Manama Barin Kingdom goika nka Kisii County Frederick Ogembo biamono na arorire agawatanga good morning kora chinse mocha Nakuru City agoteba massive well represented Barnabas Ratemo Gekonge agoteba kurwa Doa Qatar na Boigo Roda Ruth kurwa chinse mo chiria ndoche nigawate amange igakima agoteba salamu na mkuzi yangu ya peperushwa kwa mamangu Bilia mamkuzi yake ya peperusho kwa mamake Bilia Kemunto Mose na familia nzima ya William Mose. Awateba ujumbe na watakia wawe na siku njema fanaka na wazidi kusikiliza na kutazama Ketembe TV na kila siku. Okay, mbia mono sana. Na Victor Mondo akoteba kura Kilimani akoteba akotionde ene mbia mono kigima sebonse bali bagendete kutuma ujumbe chabo chaiga ase studio. Darius Mosoti Mburembe mbia mono kigima ase kugenda koba ime yomoro verio abuga kagretenga onye tikopate kende nande kwa recommendera na to
my mark for this week is that we had a program called an empowerment program. Asema ya South Mogrango last week. Asaba ribagusi toko basabanga chirese ichi chiko changu. Tumekina na proper engineering ndonge chikonyo mwananchi. Ebyo mbembire bya abana boda boda byo mbembire bya bangina byo mbembire bya basaye. Tadeke mbegeze kwa chiru maybe 200,000 kira yego jump start program mabwate mashinani chikonye byombebi chibina chiba chitanga tusatu murango 9.6 million inde shwange byombebi nyate mpaka 500,000 chise chienda chikonye mwananchi ya brief bog mabwate because sasa tukete bona iga obog manobo kongo na other program yende ekarot kuliara misi nsema ya nyantrago nyari bari chache
yes
mukonye muraibense kunja ko charot kulia Thursday as the same program yaringa South Mogrango ase mujumbe zairi janda nyari bari chache chibese tikachigende ase byombe bibiri ya prefecture bogima bwa bananji tate munugo mabwa kongere bono iga no nyore kiombe nyono 1,100 1,200 1,300 wesko nyore kiombe nyono 1,500 stendi chinyide ngabacho kanyo totele tente enene na bigo cost around 100,000 kere ko mpaka transport mpaka Gusii chitenti banyo chitenti ebyombe bisokombo chitende chikira lituko na bikonya ganyara chibe so sikira ichume kama matangari nakonya ganyara chibe stisaine okonya umonanchi as mashinani so konya family chabo. So let's hope that chiko changu as an empowerment program message chiko cha sabona sense ya gusi chikonyo mwananchi ntebanga chiko changu for just a routine processing nguchanga chiro. So njo sababu kwa na sabara ibagusi kimoko changa muligireti mwananchi ngana bwate mechande mingi
basa kubora na ndeche chitikara se bali bago chivara bali bago chivaga
the community thanks them for those programs because ntodai uliwenza akwe murunganinga chiariru entre chia kwa tsatu moganga chia changetu kaiwa mwananchi
abantu na bakirete
kile montaka tenor ne function ya rete kile kombe ka uchi bestia pakagenda ngaba satisfied tikakala kanense motions chia gusienjereyu uli kombe na beko boronga ya chia chenza kalchi gotumeka of course nature za kalchi gotumeka tikachika nazo mwananchi ko janjiba
ekereke nje kora magende
so asaba iba UDA from Kisii na wale bande ba broad based ba junior serikali chia tikachika nazo mwananchi tikaendelea kwa mwananchi sasa bintu bako biamono
Miamona sana Amerika Buga na mkukwira neriambia mono kime kiagira kwa beire na inche kurwa chinsa 12 uikachinga kechiga ekiro bono turachikobekerege tone gabo korende bali bonsi banya arakwenekia kwanyore chibicha na eriogia senchira ere ya bene kigma kurwa studio kabere ba kubwatirana nere Ondare Barnabas na Boygo Jasper na Wilfred Matondra ngubereneria mbuya mono kema chingoro kwa Matilda baiwa endera gutigara ime yage Tembe TV tumirane chinga kichinde asenzemo yekiunga
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura bache kuya mandege uzito somya bamura bache kuya mandege